Hello, creative minds. Today, we are back with a concept sketch of the famous Wolverine. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. Choose your preferred medium, be it digital or paper. This tutorial is meant to develop your character study and study of human figure and anatomy. For today's artistry trivia, which artist contributed in creating the infamous character Wolverine, who is loved by many and is an integral part of the X-Force? Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Before we start, let us know a little about Wolverine's power. Wolverine has the power of rapid healing, allowing him to recover quickly from injuries. He also possesses retractable adamantium-coated claws and enhanced senses, strength, and agility. Now let us start with the sketch. Begin with drawing the torso. Connect and draw the head to the torso. There is a lot of foreshortening in this pose, so draw accordingly. Next, draw the legs. The character is bending on his right leg. After that, draw the arms, which are widespread position to attack the enemy. Once you are done with the basic sketch, let's start with the details of the character. Start with the details of the boots. Next, add details to the upper body. This is a very interesting character with a lot of interesting details. This is a crucial process, so take your time and draw along. Now, draw the infamous claws of Wolverine made of adamantium, a fictional metal alloy that's commonly used in Marvel comics. Adamantium is known for being nearly indestructible. The character Wolverine was born as James Howlett in northern Alberta, Canada. This practice of being able to draw basic sketches of different poses will benefit you, as you can put your desired character in that position by adding details. Proportion is a very important factor, so take your time and check with our sketch. Give a pat on your back for finishing the sketch, and now let's start with coloring. Carefully color the sketch and make sure it doesn't get out of the outlines. This sketch is inspired by the new Deadpool and Wolverine movie. If you have watched the movie, comment the best moment of the movie according to you. Use light strokes to create shadows and highlights, giving a three-dimensional feel to our characters as well as our props. While coloring or shading, always keep in mind the form of the subject and the light casting on it. This will help you in giving a better shading to the sketch. Blend the colors to make the sketch livelier. It's okay if your sketch doesn't match our sketch. Always remember to have fun while sketching and keep practicing, because practice makes perfect. And there we have it, an amazing concept sketch of Wolverine. Coming back to the artistry trivia question, the artists Len Wein, Chris Claremont, Roy Thomas, John Romita Saar contributed in creating the Wolverine. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel. We have similar concept sketch of Deadpool on our channel. Go check it out, and definitely check out the advanced playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.